What is water scarcity and why is it a global problem? Imagine turning on your tap and finding no water coming out. That's what millions of people face every day because of water scarcity. It's a situation where the demand for fresh water is higher than what is available. This can happen naturally, like during droughts, or because of human actions. Droughts are long periods of dry weather that reduce water in rivers, lakes, and reservoirs. When these dry spells last 4 months or even years, they can cause serious problems for communities and ecosystems. Water scarcity is a big issue worldwide because it affects billions of people. When there isn't enough clean water, health problems like cholera and typhoid can spread easily. Farmers struggle to grow crops or raise animals, leading to food shortages. Industries that relying on water, like manufacturing and mining, face shutdowns or losses. This can hurt economies and cause job losses. When water becomes scarce, conflicts can break out as different groups fight over limited supplies. Some people even have to leave their homes to escape the lack of water, becoming climate refugees. Droughts are a major weather-related disaster linked to water scarcity. They happen when rainfall drops below normal levels for a long time. During droughts, rivers and lakes shrink and groundwater levels fall. This makes it harder to get water for drinking, farming, and industry. Droughts can also lead to wildfires and desertification, turning fertile land into dry, unproductive areas. Climate change makes droughts more common and severe because it changes weather patterns and increases evaporation. Melting glaciers and ice caps also reduce the natural storage of fresh water. Pollution worsens water scarcity because it contaminates water sources, making them unsafe to use. Pesticides, fertilizers, and industrial waste pollute rivers and lakes, reducing the amount of clean water available. Overpopulation adds to the problem because more people need water for daily use, cooking, and cleaning. Agriculture uses about 70% of the world's freshwater, often wasting large amounts through inefficient irrigation or growing water-hungry crops. The impacts of water scarcity are serious. Without enough clean water, people face health risks and food shortages. Economies suffer when industries cannot operate properly. Social tensions rise when communities compete for limited resources. In some cases, entire populations are forced to relocate due to water shortages. Addressing this issue requires better water management, reducing pollution, and adopting sustainable farming practices. It also means taking steps to adapt to climate change and prevent droughts from becoming even worse. In the end, water scarcity is a slow-moving disaster that quietly affects millions of lives. It's linked to droughts and other weather-related disasters that can turn into crises if not managed well. By understanding the causes and impacts, we can work together to protect this vital resource for everyone.